So the clock tower we're at today, it started off its life 20 years ago as a pub called the Mill House. We felt that it was too down market. We felt that it was very run down, and we're trading it as still a family food business, but a slightly more upmarket. And we've also introduced a carvery as well. But the plan is to move the food business further and quite a pace. So we started off with 9 food businesses. We've now got 17. We've done that in a year. So that's really, that's some going. So probably a 5-year plan, we would hope to grow the food business by 5-6 pubs each year.
Joseph Holt's jobs are all very quick turnaround sites, so the Angel was a 4 to 5 week turnaround. So to try and get a scheme together in place in a 4 to 5 week window and then deliver and install the scheme was quite tricky.
This is typical of pub companies. We don't give much time, we don't give much lead-in time. When we find a pub, we want to develop it, we want it on site and we want it finished. I think one thing that Acme have shined on over all of the suppliers that we've used previously is that they will always deliver on their promise. This job was everything for Acme. It was the bar, it was the wash up in the back, it was the kitchen, it was a carvery, it was external refrigeration for walk-in fridge and freezers, it was external dry store, it was extraction, it was the full package. Working with Acme on our previous projects gave them an insight into the food that we deliver and the type of food that we deliver, so they understand our kit, they understand what we need to produce the menu, which is a massive help.
We recommend installing heavy duty equipment. That's why we go for the blue seal, because they turn around a lot of covers per day.
Once it's been signed off to be delivered, if there is problems or there are issues, they'll be highlighted and resolved during the process. And it's been really, really good, but the end result is phenomenal.
Acme are always looking to introduce new technology. That's why with this Joseph Holt site we've spec'd the Synergy grill, which is very energy efficient and it's also easy to clean, easy to maintain. When the grease drops down from the food, it then hits the stone plate at the bottom and turns into powder. So there's no grease removal, there's no hard scrubbing. All you need to do is lift off the plates and then vacuum it out and it's good to go again.
The installation was fantastic. We had no glitches here at all, and the team of people from your engineers that fit, the installation teams, to your teams that project manage it and design it, all work together and we always get there. It's there, it's done, it's right, it's finished. So our biggest issue when I joined Joseph Holt's was that we did not have service contracts, and one of the things that stood out was the customer service help desk. That was brilliant. It was manned well with people who understood the business, understood the kit, understood everything about the catering side of the business. So I straight away latched onto that and got into your service team, and you offer me now a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week service programme, which is fantastic. It works brilliant for us. The engineers will ring me, keep me updated on where they're up to, what they've repaired, what they haven't repaired. But brilliant service, it's great, and it's something that we never had before, and it gives us peace of mind for any out of hours or any emergencies. The favourite thing about working with Acme is the passion that the team show. They're all friendly people. They all want to do well for Acme, but they want to do well for us as the client as well. You don't feel like it's somebody at the end of the phone. You get the personal service, and they do, I genuinely believe, care about the clients. They do want to help, and that's what really shines out, and I think that's why we keep coming back to you.